Hello and welcome to another episode of In the Raw with Jolly, and today I wanted to show you how I clean my natural mineral makeup brushes. Whoa, there we go, screen. Okay, so to start with I pour some hot water, as hot as you can stand it, over a bar of soap. Now this bar of soap comes with the bath bombs that are available in the bath treat section. So this is what you're left over with at the end of the bomb finishing, the bubbles and the fizz. You get a bar of soap. Okay, so plonk that in there, tip in the water. Okay, I'll start with my big fat kabuki brush. It's the one I use the most. It's pretty messy, so yeah, you can see what's coming off there. Probably should have done this one last actually. But this is hot water, it's going to kill a lot of it, the bacteria, and so will the soap. But you can always rinse them afterwards. Now you see how much is coming off there. This is what I really wanted to show you. I'm making a ridiculous mess over here. So each time I get in there and get those bristles, the bubbles go, yeah, crazy. So get all that brown out. Okay, so yes, I would rinse that later, but you can see there, that's pretty good, that's pretty clean. You know, you can give it a going over, then you get onto your smaller brushes. These ones are a little bit easier. You just kind of do this and you see all that muck coming off onto the soap, so you know it's really working. So these are natural soaps obviously, because that's how I roll. And there you go, you've got another clean brush. Alrighty, so that's your episode of In the Raw with Jolly, and if you have any questions, drop me a line. Thanks for watching.